In primetime news this evening, stay for the Christmas. Government delays demolition of houses and businesses in Port Royal until January. Move urgently. JFJ calls for government to give immediate attention to children being imprisoned for bad behavior. Which Jamaicans denounce Annie Palmer themed costume worn by Miss Jamaica Universe to represent the country. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So remember when Scotiabank announced it was selling its life insurance business to Sagicor? Well, both companies have abandoned the deal 1 year after deliberation. I'll tell you more later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jordan for what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, there's an ongoing issue where regional players have been complaining about lack of payment. Well, the CWI, through the head of their finance committee, has tried to explain why that's the case, and I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you believe we have made progress as a country in the last 20 years?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.